Lossless image compression using MATLAB. Uh, my name is Vipul Vilas Bhavre and my partner is Yash Shrikant Patil. This is are the content. Before the introduction, I want to explain the what is the image compression. Actually, the objective of image compression is to reduce irrelevant and redundant image data in order to be able to store or transmit data in an efficient form. That's why the image compression is used. In the introduction, MATLAB is a powerful tool for analyzing and images and signals for developing application. One of the application of image compression with MATLAB using a graphical user interface is described in the article. Cameras are nowadays being provided with the more and more megapixel to improve the quality of captured images. With improvement in image quality, size of the image file also increases. Due to the speed limitation of the internet, it takes more time to upload good quality images that are bigger size. A user needs to compress the image without degrading its quality. Degrading means without we want to see the picture or image in the best quality, but the size of the image will be reduced. There are two type of compression algorithms, namely lossless and lossy image compression. This article process a technique to compress the captured image to reduce its size while maintaining its quality. A number of images were considered to check the veracity of the proposed algorithm. In the flowchart, uh, in the flowchart, the image is read through MATLAB to capture its pixel. After obtaining the compressed image, peak signal noise ratio, that is PSNR, and P mean square error the, are calculated using following relationships. This is the mean square errors formula as shown in the PPT. Summation of mn image 1 bracket mn minus image 2 bracket mn whole square divided by mxn, where m and n are the number of rows and columns. Image 1 and image 2 are the original and compressed image respectively. In the algorithm, start original input images, then convert to double precise image, discrete cosine transfer matrix, quantization by masking, compressed image, and end. This is the procedure of the compression of the image. After compression, there should not be much change in the quality of the image. MSE indicates an error between the original image and compressed image. Okay, it should be as small as possible, where R is the maximum fluctuation in the input image data type. Maximum possible pixel value of the image, PSNR, is related to MSE, and it gives the amount of noise in the compressed image. PSNR should be high as possible. This is the formula of PSNR is equal to 10 log 10 R square divided by MSE. We can calculate the PSNR by using this formula, and the above the next slides are explained through my partner.
Thanks, Vipul. As Vipul has been explained some flow charts and some variation, as I will my name is Yash Patil, so I will explain some coding functions of our project. So our project contains some coding functions. They are globally, and the globally contains defines as the XYZ defines. They are globally in scope. Ordinary is MATLAB function as its own local variable, as we know that, and the function of the several are based on the workspace, as we know that we are getting all the functions from the workspace, and after that we are doing some single copy. We are doing that single copy of the variable, and any as assignment of the variable and any functions, it is available to all the functions as a declaring it to the global. As some functions are there that we are using in our coding. It's a UTGet file that it opens a dialog box. It means to enter the file name and corresponding some dialogues, which opens the file name of the valid file text. UTGet error messages, it reads error messages, which controls the returns of the dialog box. We have to enter the another file, the name, and the clicking the cancel. There are many options such as cancelling, clicking, installing some dialog, and many more things that uh, that that expression or that research are doing in UTGet file. At the next come to the stackit. It contains the horizontal strings. Horizontal, it combines of, we have put that the strings of s1, s2, and s, it means at the nth ratio, the horizontally, and the constant the string in the array. It inputs to the combinations of the single strings of the cells characters with the array in the same number of the rows and size cell of the array string. As we have next coding option, that it's not a coding option, it's just a that we have been used. It is information. It means information about the graphical files and many more things, that as we are putting some images, as to we have to put that ratio and all the aspect of that file, means all the graphical things, as to the calculation and the many more things, that all the calculation and things are done in this information of the graphical files. The format of the files instead from the its content, as we have to put some content of it. As next come to the DICMAT, which it means the discrete continuation transform matrix. As we know, we have to, as I was there in DCMAT, it means the discrete cosine transform matrix. The DICMAT n returns by the DCAT. As we know, we are compressing the lossy file. As the formula to do, as we know that any compression of the things is done by the cosine transform. As the DCAT means the discrete cosine transform the matrix D into A. As we know, the f by a is equal to AU upon 2 summation of n minus 1 to n is equal to 0. F of n is equal to cos 2n plus 1 as 2 pi upon 16. As we know, this is the formula of the display folder contain the expansion of the all pages, that we know that the description of our project is discrete list the file of the folders in the MATLAB current folder. Result appears in the order returns by the operation system. The DR names the list to the file of the folder that matches the string name, which the names of the folder DR list to the content. Listening the DR names, return to the adjective attributes about the name, concentrate the arrays along the specific dimensions. As the image is compressed, it returns to its new concentrate arrays along with the specific dimension. As we have taken some references from other, this were the electronics WW data sliders. These are some MathWorks, MATLAB, and many more things were there done, that we have taken references to do this project. Thank you.